Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Amir Zeshan, Subject Specialist English in DPS Sahiwal. You are very warm welcome on our YouTube channel. Let's start today's lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we will talk about letter writing, and our concerning topic is letter to teacher apologizing for misconduct in the class. First, I will tell you about the learning objectives of today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the format of the letter, learn the procedure of a letter, and they will also learn how to write a letter. So let's start today's topic. What is letter? A written or printed communication directed to a person or organization. Now, we will discuss the parts of letter. The first part of letter is address. It is also called heading. Examination hall, city ABC, and date. In this part of a letter, we add the address and date. In second part of the letter, which is greeting or salutation, we address the person whom we are writing. For example, if we are writing or if you are writing a letter to your friend, you will write these words in salutation or greeting part. My dear friend. You can also say dear friend, or you can also write the name of your friend with the word dear, or simply you can uh, write down dearest. Third part of a letter is a body of letter. Body of letter is the information you are writing in your letter. The fourth part of the letter is closing. It is also called subscription. If you are writing a letter to your friend, you will write yours sincerely. If you are writing a letter to your relatives, especially your parents, you will write down yours affectionately and yours obediently. This closing is used in applications as well as formal letters, uh, and yours respectfully. This closing is especially used when you are writing a letter to your teacher. The last part of the letter is signature. You will just write XYZ if you are writing a letter from examination hall. Now move towards our concerning topic, letter to teacher apologizing for misconduct in the class. First, we will come to know what is apology letter and what is apology. An apology is a way of accepting one's mistake and requesting for forgiveness. If you accept your mistake and ask for forgiveness, it means that you are apologizing. And this letter is apology letter, which is our concerning letter today. How to apologize through letter? I will tell you how you can apologize through letter. There are some parts, there are some elements, or here we have some points that you will cover in apology letter. First, you will tell that you are sorry. Then, you will own the mistake. Then, describe what happened. After that, you will explain the reason. Then ask for forgiveness. And in the end, you will promise that you will not repeat the mistake again. Tell that you are sorry. When you start your letter, first you will tell that tell your teacher that you are sorry. For example, you can write down, I am sorry, teacher, I am sorry for showing inappropriate behavior. Or you can also write, I apologize for my misconduct. How you can own the mistake? You can own the mistake by saying that, by writing down that I admit that I had broken the chair of the class, or I had broken the desk or table. Or you can write, I admit that I had misbehaved with my class fellow. How you can describe what happened? Like, you can write down, I was performing my duty as a prefect. Meanwhile, one student of the class was making a noise. I used harsh words to keep him quiet. Or you can write down, in break time, I was playing with my friends in class fellow and unintentionally I broke the chair in excitement of winning. There are many ways of describing what was happened. It was up to you, but there are many types of uh, mistakes that you committed. So you will write this part according to the situation. Then explain the reason. In a letter, you can write the word, the reason behind. The reason behind misconduct is my careless approach at that day. Or you can write, the reason behind my mistake is my overexcitement. I'm just telling you some model sentences. You will write down your own sentences, or you can copy some of these sentences in a letter. How you can ask for forgiveness? You can write down, I hope that you will pardon me this time, or kindly forgive me and give me a chance to reform and improve my habits and conduct. And at the end, you will promise with your teacher that you will never repeat this mistake. How you can write this sentence? You can write, I will not repeat this mistake again. I have also apologized to my teacher and fellows. I assure you that it will not happen again. Or you can write, I ensure that this mistake doesn't happen again. Now it's time to write a letter to teacher apologizing for misconduct in the class. I will just help you regarding how to write or how to start and end the letter. First, you will write respected sir in a salutation after writing down the heading. Then you will or you can write down these lines. With all my sincere respect, I am writing this letter to make an apology regarding the misconduct I did yesterday in the class. Then you will tell the teacher what was happened. After that, you will say sorry, you will ask for apology and promise the teacher that you will not repeat it again. I promise you I will not repeat this again and become a good student. You can write this line. After that, you will close the letter and In subscription, you will write yours sincerely, then put these words XYZ as a signature. Now it's time to homework. You will write a letter to your teacher apologizing for misconduct in the class. You will write a complete letter in your copy or on your register and send your concerning teachers. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.